dear friends, I am SS Ritika Reshmi from class 8C, and today's Kutty story of why is why people snore. Every night when people go to sleep, their bodies relax completely. Even tiny parts of the body, like the throat muscles, decide to take a rest. One sleepy night, a little throat muscle named Throaty felt very relaxed. It's time to sleep. Let's take it easy, Throaty yawned. But as Throaty relaxed, the airway became a little narrow. When air tried to pass through, it vibrated the soft tissues. Brr, snore, brr, snore. The sound echoed through the room. Sometimes it was soft, sometimes loud, depending on how relaxed the throaty and his friends were. And that is why when people sleep, some of them make the funny snoring sound. Now it's time to know the scientific reason why people snore. Snoring occurs when the throat muscles relax during sleep, causing the airway to become narrow. As air passes through this narrow space, it vibrates the soft tissues in the throat, producing this snoring sound. Thank you, dears. We'll meet you again in the next day with another Kutty story of why. Stay curious and keep learning. See you soon. Bye.